Oh, I had a bend. Pretty good. So, where does this take us? More admonishments to not feed the birds. Probably wandering back into the general vicinity of Newton. So yeah, I'm coming to a broad basin area. Probably it'll bring me up towards Newton Lower Falls or something. I'd even be in Newton at this point. There's a heron doing something. Man, it's mostly going to be more street nonsense. So I just wanted to get this particular spot. And then off I go once more. This is the uber filthy, turbid inlet. Good Lord, the water looks like caramel. Yeesh. They seem to have some sort of barrier to slow the flow. But this is where it starts to get elaborate.